Management sometimes must decide whether to eliminate an unprofitable business segment or product. The key is to focus on the relevant cost, the data that change under the alternative courses of action. You must consider the effect on the related product lines, specifically the fixed cost allocated to the unprofitable segment must be absorbed by the other segments. It is possible that net income may actually decrease when an unprofitable segment is eliminated. The decision rule: retain the segment unless fixed cost eliminated exceed contribution margin. To illustrate, assume that Venus Company manufactures tennis rackets in 3 models: Pro, Master, and Champ. Pro and Master are profitable lines. Champ, highlighted in red in the table below, operates at a loss. You might think that the total net income will increase by $20,000 to $240,000 if the unprofitable segment is eliminated. However, net income may actually decrease if the Champ line is discontinued. The reason is that if the fixed cost allocated to the Champ rackets cannot be eliminated, they will have to be absorbed by the other 2 products. To illustrate, assume that the $30,000 of fixed cost applicable to the unprofitable segment are allocated 2/3 to the Pro model and 1/3 to the Master model. Fixed cost will increase to $100,000 in the Pro line and to $60,000 in the Master line. The revised income statement is as follows, and you can see that total net income will actually decrease by $10,000. The loss in net income is attributable to the Champ's line's contribution margin of $10,000 that will not be realized if the segment is discontinued. The decision rule is retain the segment unless fixed costs eliminated exceed contribution margin lost. This result is also obtained in the following incremental analysis of the Champ rackets. Assume the same facts as before, except now let's assume that $22,000 of the fixed cost attributed to the Champ line can be eliminated if the line is discontinued. In this case, because the company is able to eliminate some of its fixed cost by eliminating the division, it can increase its net income by $12,000. This occurs because the $22,000 savings that result from the eliminated fixed cost exceeds the $10,000 in lost contribution margin by $12,000. The solution to this exercise will be provided in the next video.